My name is Katie Zema, and this is what an activist looks like. With the Gay, Lesbian, Straight Education Network of Southern Maine, I've been involved with them for about 2 years, and for this year, since July, I've been serving as the student liaison and leader for all of Southern Maine, putting together a group of student leaders and training them on how to create safer spaces in schools for all students. A lot of work, obviously, with GLBTQ issues. I identify myself as a straight ally, but I guess I get asked a lot why I do so much work for an issue that doesn't necessarily directly affect me, and it comes down to I want to live and work and raise a family in a country where I believe that everyone is treated equal, and I can get married just as well as my friends can all get married. I don't really know if I could say specifically what inspires me. I think the people that I work with every day, a lot of the people I work with GLSEN, the Gay, Lesbian, Straight Education Network in Southern Maine, other students that I work with, when I hear their stories, I do a lot of the Safe Schools work. When I hear stories about kids having to transfer schools and leaving schools because of the conditions they were in were so harsh, I think that always just makes me realize that the work that I'm doing is worth it if I can just make one person's life a little better. I think that definitely, along with what Hearty Girls Healthy Women works for, it's very easy as a girl to, believe that, you have to fall into a certain category, and I think that it definitely affects GLBT issues because you have to be the straight, heterosexual, perfect, skinny. There's so many things that girls fall under, and I think that especially girls who struggle with their sexuality, it's a big struggle, and so really just kind of knowing that we do live in a place where you can be yourself, and it takes courage, but there are many people out there who love and accept everyone, regardless of who you are. I guess I do it every day because I love it, and I love the feeling of making a difference, so the idea of other girls growing up wanting to do that same thing is definitely very exciting. I would say work hard and, as cheesy as it sounds, really believe in yourself, because when I entered high school, if someone had told me that I would be ending my senior year receiving this award along with other recognitions I've gotten and many other incredible opportunities I've had, I would never have believed them, because I just thought that that wasn't possible. But I took advantage of opportunities I had, I got involved, and I really just kept fighting for what I believed in. And I've had an incredible experience. I'm getting ready to graduate here soon, and I know that I'm going to keep on fighting for what I believe in. Girls rock!